Good morning, everybody. My name is Pavel Zemlyansky, and in this short video, I'd like to welcome everybody to the class and tell you a little bit about the structure of the class, how we're going to be running it, and what is expected of you in the class. Obviously, there's a lot more information in the syllabus on the class website as well as in other sections, but this video is just meant to be a little introduction for you to put a face to the name, me in this case, since it's an online class, and just get a general sense, general feel of how this class is going to operate. So this is a class about the theory and practice of writing across the curriculum and writing in the disciplines. It's a very interesting subject. It's a very complicated subject. It's something that creates a lot of conversation, a lot of controversy even among faculty members at any given institution, primarily because it theoretically it tries to encompass the various ways in which different disciplines and professions use writing and written communication to achieve their goals. So a large portion of this class will be taken up by us trying to understand what the theoretical, historical, and ideological underpinnings of WAC and WID are, and how WAC and WID have developed in this country over the 50 or so years of its existence. We will also take a look at some common models and theories of administering WAC and WID programs. And that's important because there are several models, different models fit different institutions and different contexts. And if you ever aspire to work in WAC and WID, you need to understand how to run, how to set up, how to assess a WAC and WID program at whatever institution you may be working at that time. In the second half of the semester, we're going to engage in what I think is a very innovative and very interesting project in collaboration with the University Writing Center. We will study, research, ask questions about WAC and WID at UCF, and try to come up with a set of recommendations, research-based recommendations, and other documents that will immediately have an impact on how WAC and WID is done here at this university. So instead of asking you to write another 20-page term paper, which is sort of the typical thing in a course like this, Writing Center Director Mark Hall and I would like you to actually help us out a little bit in solving some pressing issues, some pressing questions that we have here at UCF with regard to WAC and the Writing Center work. So that's the second half of the class. It's what we call a client-based project. The WAC program and me, as well as the Writing Center Director and the Writing Center itself, will be your clients. You will be asked to interview people, you will be asked to do some research, and create a series of documents for your clients. Again, more information about all of this is in the modules section of the course and elsewhere on the website. And if you have any questions about anything, please let me know right away. Now, I wanted to say a couple of important things about collaboration and interaction in this class. Obviously, if you've taken any online class, or as some of you have, you've taken an online class with me, you know that I place a very high premium on collaboration and interaction among students and the interaction between the students and the professor. Things will not be any different in this class. I expect you to interact with your classmates, to discuss things with your classmates, and to also work on collaborative assignments from time to time. So this is going to be one of those online classes where you're not just completing assignments and submitting them to me. Fortunately, this is a PhD level class, it's a high level class, it's a small class, and we can and should implement effective collaboration, effective interaction among you and between you and me as well. So in every task, in every assignment, you will be expected to contribute to the conversation of the class. Finally, looking at the roster, I see that there are some of you who do not come from the field of writing studies, and that's okay. But you have to realize that you will, all of you have to realize that you will have to learn a lot in this class, and especially those of you who are not in writing studies might have a little bit more of a learning curve just because you have to sort of catch up on some things that some of us already know and understand. But I'm here to help, and with hard work and dedication and effort and interaction among your classmates and with me, I think we'll be okay. Overall, if you have any questions or concerns about anything related to the class, assignments, deadlines, interactions with your classmates or me, let me know at any time. Shoot me an email or post your question in the FAQ segment of the discussion boards. I'll be happy to help in any way I can. Again, welcome to the course, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you and can't wait for the class to start. Here's to a good start to the class. Thank you very much. Goodbye.